Welcome to this step-by-step guide on setting up an Axie Infinity Ronin wallet. To begin, it is essential to understand what Ronin wallet is, which is a digital wallet designed specifically for Axie Infinity, allowing users to store, send, and receive Axies, as well as other digital assets. First, go to the official Ronin website and click on the download button to get the Ronin wallet extension for your browser. Once the download is complete, follow the installation instructions to add the Ronin wallet extension to your browser. Next, create a new wallet by clicking on the Create Wallet button and follow the prompts to set up your new wallet. You will be asked to create a password and provide an email address for account recovery. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password and keep it safe, as it will be used to secure your wallet. After creating your wallet, you will be given a seed phrase, which is a list of words used to recover your wallet in case you lose access to it. Write down the seed phrase and store it in a safe and secure location, such as a fireproof safe or a safe deposit box. Now, you can log in to your Ronin wallet using the email address and password you provided during the setup process. Once logged in, you will see your wallet dashboard, which displays your account balance and provides options to send and receive digital assets. To add Axies to your Ronin wallet, go to the Axie Infinity Marketplace and purchase the Axies you want. Once you have purchased an Axie, click on the Claim button to transfer it to your Ronin wallet. You can also transfer other digital assets, such as Ethereum or Smooth Love Potion, to your Ronin wallet using the Receive button. To ensure the security of your Ronin wallet, always keep your seed phrase and password safe, and never share them with anyone. Also, make sure to update your Ronin wallet regularly to protect yourself from potential security vulnerabilities. In conclusion, setting up an Axie Infinity Ronin wallet is a straightforward process that requires creating a new wallet, setting up a password and seed phrase, and logging into your wallet dashboard. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely store and manage your digital assets and enjoy playing Axie Infinity.